So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a question from NCERT and a question is 12.4. What is the question? Write the IUPAC names of the following ketones and aldehydes, and whenever possible give the common names as well. Okay, this is the question, and these are 6 structures given to us and we have to write IUPAC name and common name if it is possible. So let us start with the first one. Ready? Okay. So first one is CH3 CO CH24 CH3. Just write it in the best possible way. Like CO is C double bond O. CH24, what it means? 4 CH2 attached by single bond, and then it is CH3. Now you can write its IUPAC name. I know, but even then I am writing first. Just compare your answer. See, we have to give lowest number to carbon of CO. This is the rule. See, what are the rules? First is longest possible chain. So this rule is followed from both sides. See, longest possible chain means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Even if we start from right side, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means longest possible chain is possible from both sides. We start from the left or we start from the right. Okay? But now come to the second rule. What is the second rule? Lowest locant rule. And I didn't find the duster. It's okay. Lowest locant rule means we prefer the numbering from the side where CO carbon of CO, carbon of the functional group, that will get the lowest number. So if we start numbering from this side, CO will get number 2, and if we start numbering from the other side, we will have number 6 to CO. So obviously this is the right direction. So we will start numbering from the left side so that CO will get the lowest number. Okay. So what is the name? Tell me. What is the name of this compound now? Word root. First of all, we will write prefix. But prefix means any substituent. So in this case, there is no substituent. Second is word root. So what is word root? Word root is hept. Word root is hept. Rather it is hepta, but we write it as hept. Reason being that next primary suffix, it is either ane, in, ein. Okay, so next is primary suffix. So primary suffix, it is ane, because there are carbon-carbon single bonds only. So ane is the primary suffix. Then we write the secondary suffix, and secondary suffix means the suffix used for functional group. So this is the functional group CO, and what is the suffix for CO? It is on. What is suffix for CO? It is on. So plus on. Write it as hepta. So this A is cancelled because next is vowel. Here E and O. So obviously this E is cancelled. Okay, we eliminate it. So now what is the name? Heptane. But what is the position of on? 2. So it is 2 on. Heptane 2 on. Heptane E is removed because the suffix is on. Vowel is there. That's why previous vowel is cancelled out. It is removed. Okay. So heptane 2 on is the name of this particular molecule. Right. So next is, yes, what is its common name? So heptane 2 on. Now let us write its common name. So on one side we have CH3 and on the other side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons in the straight chain. So its name is methyl normal propyl ketone. This is ketone. So on the one side of ketone there is methyl, on the other side there is normal pentyl. So it is methyl normal pentyl ketone. So this is the common name and this one is the IUPAC name of the given compound. Okay. Now come to the second part. It is very simple. CH3, CH2, CH, then it is Br. So obviously Br is attached to CH, then it is CH2, then CH, and CH again attached to CH3, and then CHO. Longest possible chain. You can start from this side, you can start from the other side. There are same number of carbon atoms in the main chain, but difference lies in the lowest locant rule. CHO, this is the functional group, so that should get lowest number. And keep in mind, any carbon containing functional group, if it is present alone in the molecule, that always will get the lowest number, that is the number 1. I repeat it, any carbon containing functional group like CHO, COOH, okay, no doubt CO is also carbon containing functional group, but that always is in between the two alkyl groups. Okay, I am talking about terminal functional group which contains carbon, and that is only one functional group is present, then that will always get number 1, like CN, CHO, COOH. Okay, so it will get lowest number 1 undoubtedly, and then it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think you can write its name. Now these two are not getting the numbering, so these are prefixes. And what is the prefix for Br? Bromo. What is prefix for Br? Bromo. What is prefix for CH3? It is methyl. So just write its name. You know, when two prefixes are there, we will write them in alphabetical order. So bromo and methyl, alphabetically bromo comes first, So we write it as 4-bromo 2-methyl and hexane. And what is the suffix for CHO? It is al. Functional group, secondary suffix is used for functional group, right? So it is al. So heptane al. So heptane plus al. There is no need to write 1. Reason being, it is always at position 1. So E is removed. So it becomes heptanal. So it is 4-bromo 2-methyl hexanal. Now come to the common name. So while writing common name, what we do? For common name, we will write like it is alpha, beta, gamma. These are the things used: alpha, beta, gamma, delta instead of 1, 2, 3. So carbon attached to CHO, get alpha. This is beta. This is gamma. No need to write for others because both the substituents are covered. So now it becomes gamma bromo alpha methyl, and instead of hexane we write it as caproaldehyde. Means 6, for 6 carbon we use capro, like 5 carbon we use valeraldehyde, for 5 we use valeraldehyde. Same, for 6 carbon we use caproaldehyde. Okay, so it is gamma bromo alpha methyl caproaldehyde. Okay, so this is second one. Now come to the third one. Third one, CH3. Now CH2 just like CH2 when we write CH2 that is CH2, 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 CH2. Now we have 5 CH2, so we will write them like this, and then CH2. Okay, so tell me, what is the name of this particular compound? CHO will get lowest number, that is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 carbon atoms. So for 7 we use hept, single bond between carbon. In E is replaced because for CHO it is al, so it is heptanal. Keep in mind, it has no common name. It has only IUPAC name, and IUPAC name is heptanal. Okay? Next. Fourth one. What do you mean by pH? pH means phenyl. Phenyl means C6H5. C6H5 means when we have benzene ring attached as a substituent. So just write it is like this. Now see, if we have CH2 double bond CH, CHO, what is its common name? So keep in mind its common name is acrolein. Now write its IUPAC name first. So again same rule, CHO will get number 1, 2, 3. At third position there is a phenyl group, so it is as a prefix, so 3-phenyl. Now word root is prop. At position 2 there is ene, but E of ene is replaced because it is next is al. So it is 3-phenyl prop to enal. Now let us write its common name. So to write common name, you know, now there is alpha, beta, gamma. So the carbon to which CHO is attached, that is alpha, and next is beta. So it is now beta phenyl acrolein. This is acrolein. So it is derivative of acrolein because H of acrolein is replaced by phenyl. So it is beta phenyl acrolein. Easy? So now we are left with 2 only. Next. Fifth one. What is this? Cyclopentane. Okay, there are 5 carbons. It is pentagon as per mathematics, and in case of chemistry, these are the carbons attached in a ring, that is cycle. That's why it is cyclopentane, and CHO group is attached to cyclopentane. So as per rule, when CHO will not get numbering in the word root, it is called as carbonaldehyde. See, when we write cyclopentane, in cyclopentane, carbon of CHO is not counted. If it is counted, then its name become cyclopentanal. But you know, in ring, CHO cannot be accommodated. So it is cyclopentane, and this is called carbonaldehyde. Same, if we have structure like this, this is cyclohexane carbonaldehyde. If it is like this, benzene carbonaldehyde, or commonly known as benzaldehyde, but it can be written as benzene carbonaldehyde. Okay, so this is the 5th one, and its common name is same, cyclopentane carbonaldehyde. Now last one. Last is phenyl, means benzene rings. So these are 2 benzene rings attached to CO. Now first its IUPAC name. So for IUPAC name, you know, CO will get the numbering, functional group will get the lowest number. So functional group will get number 1. So others are rings. So this is only 1 carbon chain, and these 2 rings, that is phenyl groups, are substituent. So it is called diphenyl. 1 carbon chain with, so it is diphenyl methanol. Diphenyl methanol. This is the IUPAC name of this particular compound. And what is its common name? Common name is, these are the benzene rings, so that is called benzophenone. Now what is the name of this compound? If benzene ring is attached to CO, and other side there is CH3. If it is benzene, then it is called benzophenone. If it is CH3, then it is called acetophenone. See the difference in names. This is diphenylmethanone, benzophenone, and this is acetophenone. And what is IUPAC name? So obviously 1, 2. So it is 1-phenyl ethanone. It is 1-phenyl, or simply we can write it phenyl ethanol. So that's all about NCERT exercise question 12.4. I hope you understood the concept, and do like my video and support my channel. Thank you so much to be with me. God bless you all. Have a great learning experience.